One day, Peter was giving a sermon. His listeners were thinking that Peter was drunk, lasing, because they all understand his sermon in their own dialect. It was the gift of tongue. The disciple also discovered that they also received the gift of healing. Peter's sermon baptized 3,000 people. It marks the beginning of a Christian church. Peter and John were companions in ministry. They experienced miracles like one, a beggar who was lame since birth was able to walk through Jesus. And two, Jesus sent an angel to open the prison gate for them. Some Bible characters worth mentioning in story 1 to 6 were 1. Gamaliel, who was a member of the council who defended Peter and John from Annas and Caiaphas. 2. Joseph was given a new name, Barnabas, meaning a cheerful giver. And 3. Couple Ananias and Sapphira, who died because they cheated God. And lastly, number 4 was Stephen, the head of the deacons, who was stoned to death, and he was the first martyr. This is from the Bible storybook, story 1 to 6.